Hey everyone, sometimes the best things in life are the small improvements, the small things. Thank you, Derek, Darren, and Brad for this idea. Now, when you review an inspection issue, instead of simply resolving it or acknowledging it, you can click and you can see here, you can choose a pre-selected option like fix on site, or I replace the missing faulty parts, so no corrective action is required. It takes 1 second to mark it with a pre-selected reason. Same for acknowledging. For example, you might be waiting for parts or requested service, and you're 1 click away from telling the operator, I'm on top of it, and this is what I'm going to do. Super small thing, but saves you the extra 5-10 seconds that it takes to write a message. Thanks again, guys, for the idea. Love it.